Hello everyone, this is the continuation video. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to work with Raspberry Pi Pico with OLED display. Here is our connection diagram. First one is vertical graph. I'm using CircuitPython 9.0 on Raspberry Pi Pico. Just take a copy of your previous working program, that is OLED test. You can download this program. I'll give you the link in the description. Remove these lines. Now my intention is plot CPU temperature on a vertical bar graph. Here is my program. In a variable called data value, CPU internal temperature is stored and the function draw bar chart is going to display our CPU temperature on OLED display. You can change the width of the vertical graph and you can change the scale. Just run the code. Add these libraries. Now you can see the output on the right side corner. The next one is horizontal plot. Same as like a previous video. Just take a copy of OLED test and remove the unnecessary lines. Add this function to show CPU internal temperature on OLED display. Just save this file as horizontal plot. Like the previous one, add the necessary libraries, that is microcontroller and time. Now you can see the output. Next one is one of my favorite one is day of week. Here we're going to write a code to find day of week on CircuitPython. As usual, take a copy of OLED test and remove all the unnecessary lines of code and add these lines of code. Just save the file. Here I'm using three different algorithms to find the day of week. The difference between all these algorithms are each algorithm gives you the different set of number which indicates day of week. Okay, just run the code and enter the day, month and year, and here you can see the output. It's Wednesday. Once again enter the different number. Just check whether the given day of week is correct or not. Just verify. Yes, it's working. Try with another date, that is once again check. Yes, it's true. You can see the output. Next one, digital clock. Like the previous one, take a copy of working OLED display. Add these lines here. This line initiate the RTC with the current system time. Get time string. This function is going to read the time in the prescribed format whenever we call this function, and this line is going to show the time string on the specified position. Just save the file and run it. Now you can see the output. Next one, we are going to add date function as well and modify the previous code with a 12 hours time format with AM and PM is the condition. By calling the get date string, data stored on the RTC is going to be displayed on the specified date string position. Here is the expected output. The last program, calendar of any month. In this, I'm going to display calendar of any month, any year on the OLED display. This is the code. I'm using a day of week finding algorithm and at the same time leap year check and get the month function at the last display calendar function. This function all the specified month corresponding year is displayed on a display. If a month has 6 weeks, the last days are displayed on the top of the display. You can see the output. That's all for now. In this tutorial, we learned vertical bar graph, horizontal bar graph, and a day of week finding algorithms, how to show date and time on OLED display, and last, how to display calendar any year and any month. Thank you.